We're going to start with the Cloud Cost Management workspace, where we get a normalized view of service categories across AWS, Azure, and GCP. Specifically, we want to look at the compute category across the three cloud providers for this month of June 2025. Clicking into that, we can group further by the business application name, as that data is within the ServiceNow CMDB. We can further filter to see just AWS resources. I can also look at data over the last 3, 6, 9, or 12 months. Here are a list of all of the resources based on the filtering that we just completed above, along with the cost center, business application details, and anything else in the CMDB associated to those configuration items. Now we're going to go into the operations module, where we can see a list of all of the unused resources across compute, database, and storage. Specifically for compute, if you click into that and go below, you'll see a list of the recommendations that make up that compute resource category. Here you can see all the virtual machine resources across compute and all the rationales for cost optimization. Since we want to focus specifically on idle resources, we can just run a filter on the rationale column, select all of the recommended CIs, and schedule directly within the Cloud Cost Management application, which is linked to the change management module within ITSM within the platform. Again, we're allowed to do this because we have a common data model on one platform architecture across all of these use cases for cloud cost management, application service mapping, and IT change management. Once we've scheduled those changes, we can see that it can go through all the way to completion and really drive good behavior within the organization for cloud cost management. Navigating to the Asset Executive workspace, which surfaces up business insights from across hardware, software, and cloud asset management, we can see the savings realized, and specifically the cloud cost management savings realized over time. It'll present a pre-filtered view to the executive on what has been realized by the team over time, including the monthly savings. Thank you for watching.